Namaste. Hope you're all keeping fine. Today I'll be demonstrating how to make fridge magnets at home. It is a very simple task which I am sure anybody can do it after seeing this video. So before I start, let me just give you an idea what all things are needed for this project. First one is Fevicryl molded. It comes in Craft Market. Then of course we need magnets. These are also available in the market. Then comes the normal stuff like a pair of scissors. Then glue gun. This is the glue gun. It is basically, it works on electricity and it is used for sticking one thing to another. But you might go in for simple things like this also for sticking purpose. And then we need cardboard. Any type of cardboard will do. And then we need some colors. These are the Fevicryl colors that I am using. And then we need pista shells. See, pista shells. Next time when you eat the pista shells, when you eat the pista, please don't throw away the shells. Okay, they will come very handy. And then we need talcum powder, some tissue paper and some wooden blocks like this. Okay. So first I'll show you some of my finished products so that you will get an idea what exactly we are going to do. So see, our magnets will look something like this. This I have used this pista shells for making this. I used an old knife behind. It is just to show you how it will look like when you put it on the fridge. Okay. And the second one that I am going to show you is this. I have made some flowers. We have stuck magnet behind and then we can put it on the fridge. But make sure that you cover the entire portion with color, back as well as front. Then I'll show you two types of Lord Ganapati. These designs we can get from the net and then you can do either freehand drawing or you can simply trace it and downsize the photostat and then trace it. Okay. So let me get on to the first project. The first one that I am going to tell you is the magnet made with this pista shells. For that, first I'll cut a circle. I made a circle here using this glass. I have put it like this and then just we will cut it and then we'll stick one of this magnets to the back. And I have already kept one ready. See, magnet at the back and this is the cardboard piece. Now I am making use of mold it. This is the mold it. It contains two parts. One is the hardener and the other one is the resin base. So you have to take equal portions of both and then you have to gently mix it so that it forms a single unit. This thing dries quickly, so we have to make sure that you take only the necessary quantity. So I am just mixing it. You might just add in some powder so that it does not stick to your hands. See, I am just trying to knead it. Now the grey portion and the white portion has merged into a single unit. See, this is the white. So you can make any sort of things with this and you need not bake it or do things like that. Just it will air dry. Just keep it for some time and then it will air dry. Now what I am going to do is I'll just put it here and then I'll just gently spread it to the sides. Make sure that you spread it evenly. See, I am spreading this evenly to the sides. This hardens very quickly, so do not mix a large portion and keep it, because it will dry. By the time you get ready for doing that, it will harden, and then you won't be able to do anything. So I had spread it around, and now we'll make use of pista shells. See, I am taking 2 pista shells like this, and then we will arrange it in the form of a flower. You have to take pista shells of the same size. See this, I am just putting in the middle. See, this forms the bud, and then we will arrange it in such a way that it becomes a flower. See, you have to keep on arranging like this till it takes the shape of a flower. It's no big deal. Just keep on doing this till you cover the entire area. So this first layer I have done. So we'll do with the second layer. We have to keep repeating the same process over and over again till you complete the entire area. See, this goes on like this, okay? You have to keep doing the same thing over and over again till you complete the entire surface. I have made, and you have to keep this for drying, okay? So I have made one ready for you. This is to save time and to make you understand quickly. This is the finished thing, finished product. Now what we have to do is color it. Since I already have this red and green color with me here, I am going in for a different color. I'll use chrome yellow here. See, it is Fevicryl chrome yellow. I'll paint it. See, we have to paint it. You can use any color. It depends entirely upon your choice. But make sure that you cover the entire space. Sometimes some colors you may have to use 2 coats. It depends. Some colors, they are very light and the inner portion show. In that case, first apply the first coat and then let it dry. If you feel that the inner portion is showing, apply a second coat. But some colors are dark enough, 1 coat is good. So you have to color the entire thing. You can even use different shades. I mean, in the center you can use yellow color, and towards the end you can use red color. It completely depends upon you, your choice. See, we have to keep repeating. We have to complete the whole thing, and then we have to keep it for drying. So once it dries, you can put in some golden color in between, or you can put different shades also. In case you want to blend the colors, make sure that you do it when the primary color is wet. Okay, the first coat itself you can mix in different colors to show shade. If you want to just keep it, give this the natural look, you just need to apply a slight coat of varnish over this and keep it as it is. So all these things, it depends entirely on you. So this is how you paint it. I have kept some portion yellow and some portion I have kept it as it is. And then after you finish it, you may keep it like this, or you can apply a small coat, first one coat of varnish over it to give it a glazy look. Okay, so we have to keep it for drying. So we'll start off with the next one. For this, I have made flowers. I'll show you how to make flowers. For this, again, we have to take equal portions of this. I have not made this. I not kept this ready for making flowers because by the time I complete that work, this will become very hard. So I had to make this again. I had to knead it. I'll show you how to make flowers. It is again very simple. You can put in some powder. Make sure that you take equal quantities. See, it is almost over. Now I'll tell you how to make flowers. For this, you have to take small balls like this. You take around 5 to 6 balls, small balls. With these balls we will make petals. Sepals for the flowers. So see, I'll just flatten this. And then I'll just simply roll this. See, this forms the middle portion of the flower. Same thing I'll repeat. I'll gently flatten this. If you feel that it is sticking to your hands, you can apply this powder so that it doesn't stick. Then you flatten this and then see, arrange it like this. So our first petal is ready. Again, you do the same thing. Just flatten this, cover from this side. See, like this. Now slowly it is taking the shape of a flower. Again, flatten this. See here. See, I hope you can see it. I am repeating the same process. You can make as many as you want and you can make it as big or small as you want. It depends on you. See, here I have made a small flower. If you increase the petals, the flower becomes big. Okay. So what we have to do is, we have to stick to this. You have to make many flowers and keep it ready like this, and then you can arrange it like a bouquet, or you can arrange it on the corners. See, like this. Okay. I have made one ready for you so that I can show it to you. See, I have made a rose flower here, and then I have made something like a wire. See, something like a twine or something like a wire, and I have written happy birthday here. I'll show you how to do that. For this, you have to take this, and then you have to make thin wires like this. You have to keep rolling this. See, I have made thin wire like this. Okay, you can divide it into two. Now I'll keep both of them together, see, like this, and then gently give it a twist. See, gently give it a twist. See how it is forming this design. So then we'll simply stick this like this. Okay, whichever way you want, however you want to put it, you can make this design and stick it. Then this happy birthday or whatever, sweet home or sweet mummy, daddy or whatever, you have to just write it down with a pen and then make the same strips like this, small strips. You apply Fevicol and then stick it over. See? So I'll show you, this I have kept it ready. I'll show you how to give a antique finish like this. Okay, for antique finish, here I have given a texture actually. See, you can see one portion I have kept it just like that, and here and here I have put some texture. Texture I have put by putting some tissue paper. See, we have to take small pieces of tissue paper like this and simply stick on to this. Simply stick on to the paper like this. See, I have kept a mixture of this normal Fevicol and water here. See, we'll just simply put it like this. Keep tearing small pieces of this tissue paper and stick it along. Why we are doing this is to give it a texture. Keep repeating the same process. See, keep doing like this, and I'll show you. See, this is the finished product here. See this texture, uneven surface. So when you paint it, it gives a beautiful look. So I'll show you how to paint this. Just apply black completely. Full you apply black, and then and to this what we have to do is we apply either black golden color or silver color. To get a antique look. Now this portion is not completely over. I'll show you a finished product so that you get a better idea. This here to apply the whole thing, no gap should be visible. So see, this I have first painted it in red color. This Ganapati, I have first painted it in red color, and then I have applied some portion in silver. I'll show you how to apply silver color or golden color, whichever you want. This is powder. Just take some like this and then just apply it. And I told you earlier, you can if you put this tissue paper before doing all this, you will get a good texture. See, I hope you can say it. So that's all for the time being. I hope you enjoyed my video. I'll come back with another video very soon. Thank you.